In this video, we'll show you how to change the power window switch on your Nissan Altima. You can find it on CarParts.com via the link in the description. Open the door. Using the car trim removal tool, remove the plastic cover on the door handle. Then remove it. Using the car trim removal tool, lift the power window control's plastic trim. Remove the power window switch plastic trim from its slot by pressing on the plastic tabs. Remove the power connector from the power window controls. Then, disconnect the electrical connector by pressing the tab. Hey, it's Alex from CarParts.com. For great content, our best price, and fast shipping, download the CarParts.com app now. Using the car trim removal tool, lift the 4 clips holding the power window controls to the plastic trim. Then, remove the power window switch from the plastic trim. You can order the power window switch used in the video on CarParts.com via the link in the description. Take the new part and install it on the plastic trim. Reconnect the power connectors. Verify the correct operation of the assembly. You can now clip the plastic trim back onto the door panel. You can now clip the plastic trim back onto the interior door handle. Operation complete.
Quality parts, priced right.